What if you could start a brand new YouTube channel, completely automated, where AI does all the work, from scripting to voiceovers, editing, everything? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how I did exactly that and how it's been working for me for the past 30 days. Let me give you the quick rundown. I started a YouTube Shorts channel about random fun facts. Yeah, pretty niche, but hey, everyone loves a good fact, right? The best part? I've been letting AI do all the heavy lifting, content creation, editing, everything. This is all about automation. My goal? To see if AI can really help grow a brand new channel from scratch. And so far, it's been kind of crazy. So here's the thing. After 30 days of uploading AI-generated videos, here are the results. 18,000 views on a single video, 10,000 views on another, 700 plus subscribers, over 300,000 total views. Now, before you think, that's not that much. Remember, we're starting from absolute zero. This is a fresh channel. And the crazy part? It's all been automated. No editing, no script writing, no need for a ton of gear or crew. Just pure AI. So let me break down the AI process. I used a tool called Big Motion AI. This thing is an absolute game changer. It generates the script, does the voiceover, creates the visuals, and compiles the entire video in just a few clicks. And the best part? I didn't even have to do any editing myself. You might be wondering, how does it even know what content to make? Well, that's the beauty of it. The AI tool analyzes trending topics, popular keywords, and what people are engaging with on YouTube. Then, it automatically creates videos that are aligned with what's working right now. It's like having an assistant who's always up to date with the latest trends. No guesswork, no trial and error. Now, let's talk about monetization. To get monetized on YouTube Shorts, you need 1,000 subscribers, 10 million views in 90 days. We're still working on hitting that 10 million mark. But the progress has been pretty solid so far. With the views growing at a steady rate, I'm confident it'll hit the target soon. And once we're monetized, that's when things get even more interesting. Of course, it hasn't been all smooth sailing. There have been a few challenges along the way. The AI doesn't always nail the tone of the voiceovers perfectly, and sometimes the visuals can feel a bit repetitive. But that's part of the journey, right? As I keep using the tool, I'm learning how to fine-tune things and get better results. It's all about improving with each upload. So what's next? Well, I'm planning to continue this experiment for 60 more days, then I'll check back in with you all and see where things are. Who knows, maybe by then, I'll be looking at monetization, or even something bigger. I'll keep sharing my journey with you so you can see how this automation plays out. If you want to try this for yourself, I've got a $1 trial to Big Motion AI in the description below. Trust me, if you're looking to automate your content creation, this tool is a must. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more updates on this AI-powered YouTube journey. Catch you in the next video.